Hi friends, today we are making a super yummy lemon pound cake. It's sweet and sour, making it perfect dessert for any day. Let's get started. First, let's preheat the oven. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk and set aside. In another bowl, cream together the butter and sugar. Use an electric mixer on a medium speed to cream them until light and fluffy, which takes about 4 to 6 minutes. Add eggs and continue mixing. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue to mix for 2 minutes. Add banana extract and lemon juice and mix for 1 minute. Add half of the flour mixture and beat for a minute. Pour in half of the buttermilk and beat for a minute. Add the remaining flour mixture, beat for a minute. Then add the last half of the buttermilk and beat until everything is well combined. Pour the batter into the pans and smooth the top. Give a gentle tap to remove air bubbles. Now let's put into the oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the lemon frosting. In a measuring cup, combine powdered sugar, milk, and lemon juice and stir it well. The texture should be thick and flowing. When the baking is done, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then move the cake to your favorite plate and let it cool for another 10 minutes. Now let's pour our lemon frosting over the cake and use a spoon to spread the frosting evenly. With the final touch, let's sprinkle some fresh lemon zest on top of the cake to give it a beautiful look. Allow it to set for 30 minutes so frosting firms up. Now let's slice the cake. Voila, our super yummy lemon pound cake is ready to enjoy.